We're here at day 2 of Consensus here in Austin, Texas. The Telos booth is looking fantastic. Everyone's arriving shortly, so let's get into it and see what's happening on the floor.
It's Shelley from Telos. I'm here with the marketing team and we're here at the booth. It's been very successful. The booth has been buzzing. We've had a lot of NFT focused talks today in Telos World. We had an NFT panel. We had our partners with Feeless talk. It's been a really great time and it's been very successful.
What's up? We're at Consensus, day 2, Austin, Texas. It's been a great day. We're excited to see what's happening later tonight.
So having the team together in one place here at Consensus is kind of strange. I've only ever met these people on Zoom, and I can tell you that they seem bigger and more vibrant in person. Being able to meet in person is very different from meeting on a decentralized, over the web kind of way. You get more done, I think, when you're kind of face to face with somebody. The team is amazing. Tech's fantastic. We have some of the coolest marketing people out there. BizDev is doing an amazing job bringing on board dApps. And to have everybody together and to celebrate their achievements and tell each other, what a great job we're doing from a human level is really important, I think.
Hey guys, Erica here from Good Block and the Foundation, of course. Just chatting about how today's been. It's been an awesome day so far. Had awesome talks from Uma, from the Zeptagram team. Super lively crowds here today. We've been hanging out at the Telos booth and meeting tons of people. So yeah, it's been a great time.
This is Naim from the Telos Foundation. We're here at Consensus. It's been a pretty fun day. As you can hear, I've been talking to so many people I lost my voice, but yeah, we've been going around meeting people, making connections, and actually been doing it big at Consensus. I've been hearing a lot of people say they knew us already, they're just meeting us, but they've been seeing us all around. We really made a splash, so it's been a lot of fun.
And Douglas Horn, founder of Telos.
Well, we're all founders, but I was the first founder. What?
We've had a great day here at Consensus.
It's been amazing. So many people come by. We get a lot of, oh, I've heard of Telos, or what's Telos? They start telling them about it. They go, wait, this can't be true. You beat everything. What? So from everybody here at Telos, for everybody in the Telos community who couldn't make it, you guys, we are crushing it. What? For everybody who can't be here, we are here representing you, putting out the Telos vibe, and people are picking it up like it's gold on the street.
Like it's Telos on the street.
Oh, that's better.
All right, big love from all of us at Telos.
Mwah.